Hey, it's me, Kim Coleman. Today I'm going to demonstrate an integration for Paid Memberships Pro and the plugin Download Monitor. Download Monitor allows you to upload files to your WordPress site and serve them up for download. With this integration, you can protect access to downloads based on membership level. Okay, we're going to set this up from scratch. I don't have any downloads yet. I don't have any of the plugin configured. I just have my Must Love Dogs demo site here. So I'm going to navigate in our admin to the plugins, add new, and I'm going to install Download Monitor. Perfect. This is the one by WP Chill. There's a few download manager plugins for WordPress that you'll find in this search. Cool. So now I'm going to navigate to memberships add-ons and find this integration. There we go. It's a free to install. It's not available on .org, but if you are using Paid Memberships Pro, you can install it from our servers. Just install and activate. Perfect. Now we'll just demonstrate quickly what this does. So when you go to the download area, you can create your first download. I'm going to create a few options. I'll just call this lead magnet number 1. You can add descriptive information about it, or you can just upload the file directly to your site here. It does integrate with a few third parties, such as Google Drive if you wanted to host your files outside of your WordPress site, or also Amazon S3. I'm not going to fill out all this other stuff. Really, if you wanted to go through all the Download Monitor settings and understand what their plugin can do, go watch their tutorials and read their documentation. The thing that I want to show is just how you integrate it with Paid Memberships Pro. So there's a lot of widgets and boxes here. The one that's important is require membership block here. So I'm going to just select all levels. Why not? We're just showing a demonstration. And then I'm going to publish this download. Perfect. With the advanced versions of Download Monitor, it can have like a standalone page, but really what we want is just this short code, the download ID. So I know that the file's uploaded. This is a short code that will help me embed it within a post or page on my WordPress site. Okay, so I'm going to go over to Posts, Add New, and then I'm going to create a post that highlights the information about this download and then has an exclusive link that will be available to people who have a membership level that's required. You can add content here. This is info about the lead magnet, make it interesting. Members can access this. Cool. And then I'm going to add the shortcode block and paste in this download block and click publish. Perfect. So we are logged into an admin account and I do have a membership level. So I'm going to view this post and I'll just show you what shows up when I go to access it. So members can access this. Now, this is not a restricted members only post. This is just published within a regular unprotected post on the site. So the protection happens at the download level. So I click, I can download it, I can open the asset. Perfect. How do we test and preview what this looks like for a non-member? So let's log out of the site. And then we can see here it says download not found. That's not really the experience we want members to have. So I'm going to show you something you need to do that will make it show that the download is found and just not give people the access. Okay, I'm going to edit this post. I'm going to add an attribute to that shortcode, and the attribute is called template. Now, this is a feature of Download Monitor, but our integration plugin kind of unlocks something additional that filters in and creates a special looking. I'm just going to put a spacer because it's weird to me that this post has no space at the bottom. Perfect. So when you say to view that, you'll see this. It's not gorgeous, but it's a button. And you can see that turns it into a button style. If I log out of the site and I view this page, it shows me that there's memberships required. If I want to download lead magnet number 1, membership required, free beginner, I selected all the levels. And then this button, instead of showing that download not found, it shows a button that links to the membership pricing page. So that's how you use these two integrations. Look at the documentation for the Download Monitor on our site for our integration plugin. You'll see there's other templates you can use, or you can filter it yourself. That's totally your choice. The good thing about that download not found is that it'll never show a non-member access to that source file on your site. It always protects the file source. Cool. So just to recap what we did, we installed Download Monitor, we installed the Paid Memberships Pro integration, then we created a download within their system, and we selected some membership levels that would be required to view it. Then we created a post on the site and embedded that short code for the download ID that we uploaded, added the template attribute, which you can find more template options we'll link to in description of other templates that come built into that integration so that members can see the download and access it instantly with that button. Non-members will see a message and link to the membership levels page or your pricing page. I'm Kim Coleman. Thanks for watching. Give this channel a like, subscribe. I hope you liked this video. We're trying to do a lot of tutorials of our integrations and catch up on some add-ons that don't have videos. So if there's one you want to see, post a comment or reach out to us on Twitter.